This is problem number 9 from section 2.2. In this problem it says a person 6 feet tall casts a shadow 4 feet long. At the same time, a nearby tree casts a shadow 23 feet long. Find the height of the tree. So let's kind of draw a picture here, and I mean I'm not going to draw the person and the tree, but we can say that this is 6 feet and this is the person here. And they're casting a shadow which is 4 feet. Okay. And then you've got this tree. We don't know how tall the tree is, but we'll draw it. All right, we're not sure how tall the tree is, but we know it casts a shadow that is 23 feet. So hopefully that picture kind of dictates what we're looking at in this problem. So we know the sun for each object is at the same angle, right? So the sun, it's a long ways away. So no matter where it's at, it's casting basically the same angle on each of these objects. So because it's casting the same angle on each of these objects, we know that they're going to have some sort of ratio between their height and their shadow. So because we know there's going to be a ratio between the height and the shadow, we can actually set up a proportion here. We can say that for the person, the height is 6 feet over the shadow, which is 4 feet. Right? So I'm setting up a ratio of height over shadow. And I could say shadow length, but you guys get the idea. So height over shadow. So that means that if this is the height over the shadow for the person, I need to do the same thing for the tree. I'm going to label this X just so it makes it easy. And we're going to say that if it's height over shadow for the tree, then that would be X over 23 feet. Right? Because they have the same angle from the sun, these two ratios should give you the same number. So we're going to go ahead and use that to create a proportion then to solve the problem. Let's go ahead and do 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4 I know is 1.5. So we can say 1.5 equals X over 23. We're going to multiply by 23 to the other side. And so we end up with X equals, and 23 times 1.5 is 34.5 feet. Now remember, X is the height of the tree, so we can say the height of the tree is 34.5 feet. And we use the ratio for the height of the person and their shadow to figure out the height of the tree, because we know that angle from the sun is going to be the same.